Good morning. My name is Dr. Omerin. I be some doctor for America. I dey work for emergency room. I want talk today for una about that thing we dey call coronavirus. So I want talk for my mommy them, my brother them, my sister them, where they dey for Cameroon or they dey for Nigeria, where they hear na only pidgin. I want talk to una today about that coronavirus. I go talk about wetin coronavirus be. I go also talk about now how you fit get them, and then how you fit prevent for get them. Okay. So first of all, wetin be virus? Virus na something wey dey give man sick. You know they see am with the eye, but it dey give you sick. Sometimes you go just feel say your skin dey hurt you, or you go feel like say na cough, or you get catarrh. Na virus that. Sometimes na virus. This thing wey they call and say coronavirus na actually a family of viruses. Wetin I mean? E dey like beans. Imagine say you go market for go buy beans. They go ask you say now which kind beans you want. You want a red beans? You want a black beans? You want a coffee beans? Na so e dey. Coronavirus na a family of viruses. The one wey we dey fear bad na that COVID-19. So COVID-19 na a kind of coronavirus. We don dey waka, dey kill people dem. E start for China, e don kill people dem sotey for Italy, for Iran, for Spain. E don come America, kill people dem sotey. E don go all over the world. Na that one COVID-19 wey we fear bad. So how you dey get COVID-19? You dey get COVID-19 from other person. Honestly, the thing I say this sickness or new sick way, it dey baffle all we doctors them and people wey they do research for the virus. So we never understand am fine. So COVID-19, you dey get that from person way, some other person will get COVID-19. But the bad things when I see that person feel no say you even get am. We don't see say you feel get that COVID-19 for 4 days, you dey for your skin, you feel fine. But if you pass on for some other person, if you pass on for your mommy, if you pass on for your grandpikin, if you pass on for other people there. We also see say that COVID-19 it is stay for air. It even live for air for 3 hours. It is stay for spoon, for plates, for table, for us, for hand. Now when we talk say, don't touch your eye, not touch your nose, not touch your mouth, because you feel pass on. And the thing I say, if you pass on, you don't even know say you get that. Now the problem that. So, if you get that COVID-19 now, how you go feel? You will get cough. And that cough way, it need to give you catarrh. Now just dry cough. They call it dry cough. The cough, you need to spit anything. Spit need to come out. Now that kind cough. Then, if you feel like say your skin is hot, you so day. And a fever, if you get fever. But I want to stress the fact, say, a lot of people, they didn't get that sick. They didn't know say they get that sick for up to even 4 days. They didn't know say they get that. But the common symptoms, now dry cough, fever, and then you feel like say your muscles then they hurt you, like say you don't walk farm for many days. If you only get that kind sick, we call that symptoms mild symptoms. Wait you go do na say you go inside room you one. No man no go come inside. If they want give you chop, they just put up for door. You can't take up. Yeah, thing them, no man no go touch her. You should only for room for 2 weeks. You isolate yourself. And until the thing pass. But for severe symptoms, when you get fever, you get cough, you get that thing where your skin they hurt you, and then you feel like say you don't feel breathe. Now that one where you go carry motorcycle, or you carry motor, or you run, you go see doctor, because that one if it kill you. So the best thing I say make you prevent them. Make you prevent them. How you feel prevent them? With the advice say, number one, make you do the thing where they call and say social distancing. What do you mean? It means say, may you not stand within 2 meters of another person. Now the thing where the WHO the advice, may you not stand within 2 meters of another person. So if you be market woman, you dey go say your thing for market, put your thing far from the other person. When customer come buy something, you feel stand far away from the person. If you know if you stand far away from the person, you wear gloves. If you know if you buy gloves, you put some plastic bag, or you try for not touch the person in your hand. You not hug the person, so no hold the person. Okay. So that social distancing, it be very important. When the talk say people they not go church, oh, if you sit down inside your house, you pray, Papa God will see hear you. If you put your phone, if you be pastor, if you go church with like one of it or two of your members, the way they know sick, when I do prayer, when I do preaching, you put your phone, you put Facebook on, you call so you may put Facebook on, put a go see your message. With the beg say people they not go church, with the beg say people they not go jangi, with the beg say people they not go cry, die, they not go wedding. Maybe they just shit down, they do that social distance, made it thing not begin to pass from person to person. Because we don't see and say, people the way they don't die for Italy. Over 500 people they die every day for Italy, every day. If that thing start for Cameroon, so it go bad. So I dey beg una, make una take this social distancing thing very, very seriously. 2 meters. 2 meters. Una no salo person in hand. Una no touch person in hand. Una no hug person. If you don't make it, you put your thing in far. If you get office and you feel do your business from over WhatsApp or some other kind of thing or over telephone, it could be better. The other thing I say when we the advice and say, people they clean their houses, then fine. That means say if you be used to clean your house 1 time a day, you go clean it 2 times a day, and you go use thing what we call as a detergent. If you get Parazone, you put small, you put like 1 teaspoon or so inside that water, then you wipe your surface system with them. You wash your thing with them. Or you use Dettol, you put small Dettol inside your water, you wash your skin with them. It will fine, it will help you. With the acid, if you don't do for outside, you don't need there around people, then plenty. When you come back for house, you wash. You put that Dettol inside, you wash. You clean your house very well. Now, I want to talk about that thing what they call and say mask. Where put the life put for their face so. That mask they so. Now some good thing, but if it also be some bad thing. If you must use mask, if I make you begin to change and plenty, you change it every day. If you use wrapper, if you use leaf, put them for your face and your thing, your nose, you cover them. But with the advice now say they put them where they get cough, they get catarrh, they feel sick, may they cover so. Because that mask they so if they only use the same mask, when you cough, if you still penetrate, go for some other person. So with the say that mask, may you be careful as you use mask also. Now, I don't tell una what the coronavirus be. I don't tell una the kind of symptoms that when you get. I don't tell una the main thing where you get for do for prevent them. If you not be hear anything, the main thing where I want hear, I want tell una today na say that social distancing no good. It's not the best thing that way if you do for yourself. Because place where plenty people then pack so. And that thing where they make a coronavirus even glad it enter that place fine. It spread for all man. And you know so we not get plenty people there for Cameroon, first of all. So with the job back, say me any man she done with your Bible, read them. When on Sunday you read them, you pray. She done for your house. No go jangi, no go market. Stay here for your house. If you get to go out for your office or that kind of thing, 2 meters from everybody. I thank you now. I go come again for talk for una about thing the way put the talk and way you know right about this coronavirus. A lot of therapists then put the talk about how you get for drink one, you get for drink every 15 minutes or wait. I go make some other video for talk to una about that one. I thank you now. May God bless una.